Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish watches. Today I want to talk about Zenith watches. The Zenith XL TRONIC watch is an elegant men's watch from the Swiss brand Zenith. Their case is made of 36.6mm stainless steel, and they sit comfortably on the hand thanks to a bracelet made of the same material. The watch is equipped with a mineral glass that protects the dial from damage. This watch is powered by a quartz movement and has a power reserve of 3 years. They are also water resistant up to 50 meters, which allows them to withstand short-term immersion in water. The dial of the watch has a dark blue color, which is perfectly combined with white gold indexes and hands. It also displays the date and day of the week in an additional window, making this watch functional and easy to use. Although the watch has some slight signs of wear, that does not affect its functionality. Its overall condition remains good. All in all, the Zenith XL TRONIC is a quality and stylish watch from a well-known Swiss brand that is suitable for everyday use. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.